welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. My name's Sharonza. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you my school makeup routine. So if you want to know how I make this look, just keep on watching. I'm starting off with sunscreen. I usually apply it 20 minutes before so it can sink in. Now I'm using my Milk Makeup cooling stick to refresh my eyes and depuff them. And I'm doing a little dance there. I don't know what that was. I'm using one of my favorite primers. Usually I go between a moisturizing primer like this one or pore filling. Today I decided that I needed some hydration. I like to do my brows while I let my primer sink in. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia pomade and I'm going to just brush them up, shape them, and fill them in. Now I'm going to use a brow gel to keep them in place all day. I'm going to clean up my brows with a Bare Mineral Bare Skin Concealer just to shape them a little more and they look more defined and clean. Using my small beauty blender, I'm going to blend around my brows. For today's makeup look, we're not going to use any foundation. I'm going to be using two of my favorite concealers, the NARS Creamy Concealer and the Bare Minerals one. As you can see, I applied the NARS Concealer under my eyes because it is a few shades lighter, and now I'm just going to blend it in with my beauty blender. So I'm obviously listening to music in the background and I was kind of jamming out to Mad at You by Noah Cyrus. I've been loving that song. Now I'm using the Bare Minerals concealer to cover up any spots and even out my skin tone. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it all in. As you can see, I kind of spread the product around before actually blending in my problem areas so I can even out my skin tone. Now it's time to set it all in place. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder and my small beauty blender to bake under my eyes. While I let that sit, I like to use my Shade and Light palette to bronze and contour my face. As you can see, I'm using a fluffy brush to warm up my face. Using the same brush, I'm going to wipe away my bake. With a much smaller brush and a cooler shade, I'm going to be contouring my face. Time for nose contouring. I'm going to be using a very small fluffy brush to just get the perfect nose contour. The NARS Orgasm Blush is one of my favorite ones. It's so pretty and glowy. Now I'm going to use my Fix Plus to spray some in my brush and use my Milk highlighter to make my highlight a little bit more glowy. Now using a smaller brush and that same highlighter, I'm going to put some on my nose and in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using my Fix Plus to refresh my face and my Laura Mercier finishing powder to set it in and have a little bit more of coverage. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put some mascara on. This is the Too Faced Pout About It lipstick. This is one of my favorite ones ever because the formula is so creamy and comfortable to wear. It's perfect for school. To finish it off, I'm going to use the Hangover setting spray to set it all in. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below any video ideas. See you later.